Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we'll be doing more fiberglassing because got ourselves a heater. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And enjoy. Let's do it. Ready, boys. Got myself a little heater. So I'm going to set it up and see how much it can heat up this little, let's say, 1.5 car garage. So it's pretty cool at the moment. Don't have a temperature gauge in here though. So we'll see how we go, see how I feel, and hopefully we'll get to a good temperature that we can lay some fiberglass down. We need to do some sanding over here on the carbon fiber. Go all the way up. It's got overheating protection, which is good. Well, feels like it's taken the chill out of the garage, but I've been out here for like 45 minutes. Not really doing much, I'm just on my phone. But yeah, feels a bit warmer. Maybe tomorrow I'll get home, turn it on, and then come out later and do some fiberglassing. But still this episode. Alright guys, just picked up this little weather station. So we've got indoor and outdoor temperature. So I just placed these in here from outside. So it'll probably take a little bit of time to change. But we've got humidity on there, which I wanted as well. So when it comes time to painting and stuff like that, I can check it out. So as you can tell, it's 6 o'clock, cooking dinner at the moment. So I'm going to come out after I finish dinner and see what the temp's at in here. I'm going to put the heater on and see what I can get it back up to. Hopefully we can get it around to what it is now, around like the 1920. It'd be perfect for doing all this stuff. Alright guys, it's about an hour later, as you can tell. So 13.1 is outside, so near the back door, and it's 12.2 in here. So I'm going to put the heater on and see what we can get up to. So I'll probably be out here 8:30. Alrighty guys, it's 9:30 now. I just had it in front of the heater, so it's still going up. It was at 14.3. Yeah, outside temperature is still at 12, so it's actually not that cold outside. So I'm gonna chop up some fiberglass, get the right pattern going, and what's going on there? I think that's wax. Yeah, get the right pattern, and I might lay it tonight. Hi boys, I know this episode's been pretty boring so far, talking about heating and temperatures and stuff, but I'm about to get the resin in there and finally put some fiberglass onto this and bolt it together. So hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to pull it apart and finally have a product from this mold that I've been trying to do for months now. Alright guys, it's all together, bolted together. Fingers crossed this is going to work. I've got it sitting up against there because fiberglass doesn't like being upside down, so if I have it laying down, These edges will most likely come away, so I did end up adding more to it once it was all together. So we've got 2 more strips here, 2 strips here, 2 strips here, and then on each side here. Fingers crossed this front section is okay. I've got a feeling this section here of the mold is going to be pretty hard to release. We do have resin in between the 2 pieces, but everything was waxed up with the mold release 6 or 7 times. So yeah, we'll see in about 5 seconds if this worked. Alright guys, it's the next day. It's 7 o'clock or so. So this is dry. So let's get it apart and hopefully it's all good. Alright, all the nuts are off the bolts and all the bolts are out. So I did get some resin in between the 2 halves. So hopefully it'll pop out okay. This one here is looking pretty good. So now it's got a thread to it. It does. Alright, now we're going to crack this apart. So the last time I bent my fingernail back really bad. And it still hurts. But so here we go. Oh. This wax release is really good. I did some more waxing today, so on a different part that will be coming up shortly. No way. Look at that. No way. Alright, so bit shit there, bit shit there. Alright. Easy fix, easy fix. Oh my god. That looks really good. Holy shit. So, I'm going to be twisting. Hopefully this will allow it to come out. Wow, I'm surprised actually. This better come out good without breaking the mold or breaking the piece. Oh my god, that is so light. Hang on, I'm confused. Wow, see how much resin actually went through. So it's actually worked out pretty good. Maybe not. Not with the join. So I'll fix this up and I'll use this. And I'm going to keep working on how to get a better piece. Just using the scissors just to trim up a piece that went in between the 2 molds. And later tonight, when I come out after editing this video, I'll sit down and sand it and trim it all up. Yeah. Get it looking half decent for you guys to finish this episode off. So you can go, finally Glenn, finally. Well guys, I'm actually pretty happy. There is a little bit more work to do in the actual process of getting it better, but the mould works. I do have some air bubbles, that's just from me putting it on too thin. But yeah, got mounting. Just need to work out how to join them a bit better. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. With that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.